Welcome to the third part of the video. This is going to be the final trial video of Tamil Nadu and Kerala tour. We stayed whole night at Kalpetta and started our journey to Chembra Peak. Though we have buses to travel, but auto sounded appropriate to travel and explore, which looks a bit weird. This is Chembra Peak, where we wanted to trek and explore because it's a huge mountain containing with an elevation of 2100 meter above sea level. If you go there, you got to pay entrance fees which cost 750 rupees. No matter you go alone or with the crew, the price is 750. We started trekking with empty stomach, which led us to get tired. Almost we were about to get collapsed. But after reaching and viewing the peak, everything got vanished and we quenched our famines with cool air. If trekking is the biggest challenge, taking care of friends, surviving from hunger, being cautious from bizarre creatures, that is another challenge, especially leeches. Better wear shoes to avoid leeches thirst. And another thing, don't carry luggages. If you afford your own weight, it's a big obligation you follow. By the way, water is compulsory. We can see more tea plantations in Wayanad. Most people are dependent on various crops like tea estates, coffee estates since from many inner times. This is Meenmutty waterfalls, which is near Banasura dam. This wasn't part of a plan, we accidentally explored it. Banasura Dam is a place which has a cool environment. Mountains are fully greenery. Nature is incredible there. We love to dwell in it, and it's second largest reservoir in Asia. That was the main reason behind our trip plan. A friend of mine was really scared of boating, but the nature's aura made him to overcome his fear. Nature has the caliber to fix any kind of phobia and access to enjoy the feel of adventure. Homestays are very good in Banasura Dam. We were having planned to stay there, but due to some issues, we couldn't go there. I would like to suggest you to visit these kind of places. As you can see in this video, there are good nature elements which every creature in the world needs to enjoy. Thanks for watching our video. Hit thumbs up, drop a comment and spread the video.